So you're in so many different platforms, and all these platforms, whether it's TikTok or YouTube, they do desire continuous uploads. With that, I'm going to ask you a question about time management. Like, how do you manage your time? Because this is one of the, this is one of the reasons that I hear a lot of content creators give as one of their challenge, which is they don't have enough time. So how do you manage your time?
So before this whole quarantine, I did have a full-time job, and so it was really, really hard. I've got to say, it was really hard to create content. But when I started this 7 years ago, I was still in school, so it was a little bit more easier. And I only posted videos every Sundays. So what I would do is I would have an idea in my mind. I would think about it over the week and how I want to present it, what do I want to say. So I would jot down all my notes and whatnot. And once you have that little skeleton going for you, because I hate writing scripts for my rants, because like it won't be natural if you're writing a script, right? So I would have jot notes of like things that I want to say, and then on Sundays I would dedicate it towards YouTube alone, and I would just film, edit, publish all on the same day. And now that quarantine's here, it's been a lot easier because you have more time.
Yeah.
But I feel like I don't have a lot of time because I have a lot of kids in the house and they need all my time. And it's been really, really tough to make YouTube videos. And that's why I kind of moved on to TikTok, because TikTok, the audio is already there. I'm just lip syncing to a lot of stuff, or I'm dancing to a lot of stuff. So it doesn't require a lot of quiet space or, like non-disturbances and stuff. So it's been a lot easier to make TikTok videos. And I think a lot of people are, they're responsible adults, like I should be. And they're actually, they have to cook, they have to clean, they have to do a bunch of stuff. And luckily for me, I'm a little bit spoiled. Okay, I may be a lot more spoiled than I would expect. My parents, they make my breakfast, they make my lunch, they do my laundry. I am so embarrassed to say all this. I know I should be doing it. I'm old enough to be able to do all my own responsibilities. But that is how, I have more time to make my content, because a lot of the other responsibilities are taken over by my parents or my family.
No, I think that's okay. I mean, as a popular YouTuber, you get a few leverages from your family, right? So
yeah, they've been
take
very
it till you have
supportive.
it.